Idigbe. With me, my Lord. FL Imam Kanyip.
I can't hear you well.
My name is my A.S.
Your system is not showing your name. It is showing HP.
What is that?
You can see my own is showing my name.
Yes, my Lord. I don't.
Samuel showing his name, but
okay.
Yours is just showing HP or so.
We are on project, my Lord. Using HP to project. Maybe that is why. My name is A.S. Adeboye, my Lord.
A.S. Adeboye.
A.S. Adeboye. A.S.
J.S. Bamiboye. All right. Yes, you appear with Lanesuk. You appear with who? Or you appear alone? Or who? Please. Samsung SM. Please, you are speaking dialects. You are not talking to the court. Lanesuk, please complete your appearance. Lanesuk.
My Lord, it's obvious they're having some issues with their network.
He is for the claimant.
He is for the claimant, but he's online. But I think he has problem with his connectivity.
Okay, who appears for the defendants? Who appears for the defendants?
My Lord, R is Samotu is my name. R is Samotu. Yes, my Lord, I said R is Samotu appears for the first 4 and 5. R is Samotu. ISAMOT. For this first, 4th, and 5th. 1, 4, and 5.
All right. Who appears for the second
4 and 5th defendants?
Who appears for the second and third defendants?
I'm grateful, my Lord.
Who appears for the second and third defendants?
Mr. Magaji, Oba Magaji used to appear for the second and third, but I'm not sure he's around. I'm not sure he's online. So I don't know who is appearing for those parties as we speak, my Lord.
No appearance. Lanesuk, do you have good network now?
Yeah, I think to my Lord, we have cleared the error, my Lord. My name, sir, is A.S. Adeboye.
Yes.
Appearing with me, my Lord, are my learned friends, F.L. Imam Kanyip.
Who?
F.L. Imam Kanyip. F.L. Imam Kanyip.
Good morning, my Lord, sir.
And Hope Oladele. And Hope Oladele.
All right.
My Lord, we are very, very grateful.
Thank you. This matter is for what now?
For cross-examination, my Lord, of the claimant witness. And subject to your Lordship convenience, we are ready, my Lord.
For cross-examination stroke defense.
examination.
Okay. In cross-examining the claimant's witness, you tender, okay, defense counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, are you ready?
My lord, I need to make some clarification, Richard, because when we got the hearing notice and we're told that the cross-examination will be done virtually, we were a bit confused as to the possibility of doing that, my lord. Because during our cross-examination, it's a known fact that we will most likely be tendering some documents and be showing some of these documents to the witness who had given evidence.
Wait, how is it a known fact that you will be tendering some documents?
Okay, my lord, I'm saying it now. That,
make it known now.
My lord, we intend to tender, so my lord, we intend to tender document and confront the witness with documents, content of which some of our cross-examination questions will be based. So I do not think, seriously speaking, my lord, that this avenue would allow us to do that appropriately, my lord. So I doubt if we will be able to do that virtually. So on our part, it is our position that our cross-examination can only be done in a physical manner for this reason and some others that we
So what do you want?
My lord, we'll be applying that the court should give us a date when we can do physical cross-examination because we cannot do it virtually.
Learned Silk.
My lord,
yeah.
with due respect, sir, this is another in the line of attempt to unduly delay the conclusion of this matter. The documents for itself, whether you confront the claimant with it or not, documents for itself. And there is no law that says you must enter a document to the claimant. You are bringing your own witnesses. You have listed about 4 or 5 witnesses. With due respect, my lord, this case has suffered so much, mainly at the instance of the defendant. And we plead with your lordship, sir, to ask them to tender whatever they have to tender when they are calling their witnesses. Documents speak for itself. It does not change its character. Neither does it change in context, whether you confront the claimant with it or not. My lord, I'm opposing the adjournment. I ask your lordship to refuse it and let this case proceed to cross-examination.
My lord.
Hello.
My lord.
Yeah.
If I may say one or two things.
Yeah.
In response to the reaction of the learned my lord, at this stage of cross-examination, whether a document speaks for itself or not, that is for your lordship to determine. However, in cross-examination, it is our case. We decide whether we need to tender a document through a particular witness, whether their own witness, whether ours. So it is not for the learnership to determine how we go about our cross-examination. It is not a creation of the defendant. The learnership should also appreciate the fact that this is a problem that is peculiar in the sense that the courtroom is not available. And I've said it, cross-examination is part of my case. The way we intend to do our case is to confront this witness with some of our documents and to let him do one or two things on the physical document. So the learnership cannot tell us we must put in our documents through a particular witness or that a witness should not speak to a document we intend to bring in. That is clearly outside the jurisdiction of the landed SAN to decide for your lordship. We have made our point. We are not applying for adjournment for the sake of it. In fact, it is not an adjournment we ought to apply for by ourselves, because this is not something that was caused by the defendant. And I believe your lordship will understand what I'm saying. I'm grateful, my lords.
Okay, the witness was taken physically, and in the circumstance, it will be in the interest of justice to grant an adjournment for physical hearing. Case adjourned 16th January 2024 for cross-examination.
My Lord, we pray that hearing notice.
I'm grateful, my lord.
On the second.
Yes. You will be served electronically.
Okay, my Lord.
And let me also explain why we have this situation is that our court is under renovation. So I cannot sit in the court as it is now until next year. And that is why we find ourselves in this situation. And I don't know whether to say apologies or thanks to NJC for renovating the court for us. But definitely we have to suffer some in one way or the other. I'm sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
We appreciate your sense of concluding this case of time, but we have always been dragged back. But by the grace of God, one day we will conclude this case. We are grateful, my Lord.
Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. We are grateful too.
The next matter is ILO 2022, Dr. Adebimpe Olukayode and Landmark University. Okay, please, appearances. ILO 2022. Samuel Omoni, you can unmute your. You can actually off your video. Yes.
May I please?
Yes.
I am TL Olaya.
TL.
TS Olaya, yes. I appear for the claimant.
All right. Yes, who appears to be defendant?
With utmost respect to your lordship,
Yes.
I most humbly announce my appearance for the defendants.
Yes.
Abiodun Dada is my name.
Thank you. Like the two of them have come to come back. Yes.
My lord, sir, the case is for consolation of hearing.
Yes. That's the claimant's case.
Yes, sir.
Can we proceed via Zoom?
My lord, we can.
You have another witness? You have another witness?
Yes, my lord.
Is he tendering documents?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Is his witness in the Zoom format? His witness statement, is it in the Zoom format?
No, it's not in the Zoom format.
Okay, good. So what do you want? What do we do?
My lord, we are ready. I don't know about the defendant. We are ready.
But you said his witness statement is not in the Zoom format now, and you are ready to go on, and he's tendering documents, which means you need to give us the documents physically, isn't it?
Yeah, stop this.
So how are you going to do that via Zoom? If the witness statement were to be in the Zoom format, in which case he has made reference to it, marked it as exhibit and attached it to his witness statement, which is what we have even given you notice that that is what you should do, because most likely we'll be sitting more on Zoom. If you haven't done that, you can't tell me now that you are ready, except you will go and swear his witness statement. Let it conform with the Zoom format, then we can do it via Zoom. If not, we have to adjourn for physical hearing. That's what it means. I'm sorry about that, because I'm sure you heard it that I said our court is under renovation.
Yes, my lord, we are even in the court. We can see the renovation going on.
Good. So you are a witness. You can see what is going on there. You agree that you are even managing to sit here. I'm seeing even where you are sitting is not inside the courtroom.
Yes, we are sitting on the canopy.
So you are a witness. Thank you. So what do you want?
I don't know. As it is, my lord, the case is dragging. That's just my problem. We have to take a date.
Ask for a date. Abiodun.
Well, Madam, I want to believe that my friend should be a witness of truth. we are in the court premises.
Okay.
We witnessed the extensive innovation that are going on in the court. And aside from this, both the written statement on hold, they are not in a Zoom format. Well, my lord, if I may make reference to the case of Landmark University versus Miss Aigba. Miss Aigba. It was done in such a way that it makes the virtual hearing of the case convenient for all the parties and the court.
Thank God,
Which is not the case.
So little wonder when I said, is it in... Okay.
So, my lord, I want to most humbly urge your lordship to adjourn the matter, sir, and for physical hearing of the case.
For a date. He has already asked for a date.
An adjournment is inevitable in the circumstance. But we want to most humbly urge your lordship to make this hearing by physical. Yes, sir. We have no objections. So it is convenient to your lordship, maybe by next year, sir.
My lord,
January 2023 for physical hearing.
My lord?
16th January 2023 for physical hearing.
As the court 15, 1-5. 16. Okay, we agree with that.
Thank you. And please, ladies, for other counsel who are online, please learn to do your processes in the Zoom format. I've always told you people that eventually we are moving there. Most of our hearings will be by Zoom. Not just because court is under construction, but that is where the world is moving. All right, thank you.
We are good, sir.
Yes, I check.
After this April 22, 2020. Fakwade Temitope Adiola and Ondo State Civil Service Commission. Appearances, please.
Yes. May it please my Lord.
Yes.
O.D. Akinwari for the claimant, sir. O.D. Akinwari for the claimant, sir.
Yes, who appears for the defendant? Who appears for the defendant?
Well, Lord, from my records, sir, the last date. Okay.
My Lord, I appear for the defendant.
Please announce your appearance.
Most humbly, my Lord.
Yes.
K.M. Adeniyi.
A.M. Adeniyi.
K, my Lord. Kola Michael Adeniyi.
Oh, K.M.
Yes, my Lord.
For the defendant.
Yes, my Lord. My humble appearance is for the defendant.
Yes, this matter is for.
Lord, the matter was adjourned today for defense, sir.
Not for cross-examination of CW. Has the CW been cross-examined?
Yes, the cross-examination of CW1 was foreclosed on the 8th of March 2023, sir.
My Lord, CW has not been cross-examined.
Wait first, please. 8th of March 2023.
Yes, sir.
By my file, this court did not sit on this case on that day.
On the 8th day of March 2023.
Was taken on the 2nd November 2022, right?
Milord, sir.
Is that correct? CW was taken on 2nd November 2022. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then
the
on that
was
day,
adjourned
was adjourned to 1st December 2022.
Yes, sir.
Defendant didn't come.
And from, yes, sir.
Then we adjourned to 9 February 2023. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
On the 9th February, defendant did not come. We adjourned to 8th March 2023. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Now it appears on that 8th March, we did not sit until 10th May. Do you have any record of us sitting on the 8th March?
Yes, sir. On the 8th March, yes, sir. It was on that date that the cross-examination of CW was foreclosed. The court actually sat on that date, sir.
8th March.
On that date, I appeared with one issue in Idigbe Esquire, sir. On that date.
Are you sure you are not talking about 8th March 2022?
No, sir. 8th March 2023, sir. And it was on that date that the matter was adjourned for defense.
No.
Adjourned to 8th March for defense. 8th March, claimant for the defendant absence. Case adjourned to 8th March.
Counsel.
Lord, sir.
I don't know where you got your own record, but do you have record of the sitting of 10th May 2023? Do you have the record of the sitting of 10th May 2023?
No, Lord. The last record for that of March 20,
because then most likely you had put it there, then on the day we start on 10th May, you forgot to adjust your date. Because this is what I have on the 10th May. Let me read it for you. Probably that is what you have for 8th March. Oji Akinware for the claimant. No appearance for the defendant. Akinware, the case is for defense, but defendant and counsel are absent. We apply that the defense of the defendant be foreclosed. Court, I see proof of service on the defendant's counsel at page 400 of the file. However, the defendant is hereby given one more chance. Case adjourned to 1st June 2023 for defense. Defense counsel to be served hearing notice. Since that 10th June, we have not sat until today. So yes, I don't know, is that what you are referring to?
Yeah, my Lord, we are grateful for that, sir.
From this court never sat, so there is no way I could have foreclosed him after 10th May.
No, my Lord,
if I had foreclosed him before 10th May, there is no way you could have even asked for me to.
My Lord, sir, I was talking about for the so now the matter is left to be. However, the defendant was a examination of CW1. I was referring to that examination had been proposed a long time ago. The matter was actually going to be for defense.
Yes, 8 March, I think.
Yes, we don't see.
8
So,
March,
my Lord,
the
issue of foreclosure of examination had not been settled. Then we are in now for defense proper.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the matter is for defense.
Yes, sir, it's for defense.
Yes. You had asked that we foreclose him, but I gave him one more chance.
Very well, sir. Very well, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 8 March was for defense.
Yes.
We didn't sit. May.
My Lord, on our part.
Yes.
We are ready for defense, but we'll also be humbly applying that we'll be allowed to cross-examine the claimant's witness.
Only do that via a motion. You were already foreclosed, and the matter for defense. In fact, you wanted to foreclose your defense. The court just granted you one more grace.
Yes, my Lord, I understand that.
Yes, and since that time, do you have a motion? Have you filed a motion?
My Lord, we have before your Lordship this morning.
Yes.
Is a motion to amend our statement of defense and bring in additional
motion to set aside the order for closing your cross-examination and then asking you to defend.
No, my Lord, we don't have that motion yet. In fact, we are just.
So how can we allow you to cross-examine a witness that you have been foreclosed from cross-examining without that motion?
Well, my Lord, the situation is that even before now, The claimant has been in talks with the defendants for settlement out of court. The last time we were in court was 2021, my lord. And the reason why we have not been in court is not because we are not interested in defending the matter, my lord. But humbly, my lord, after the last time we appeared in court, the claimant approached
your motion is dated when and filed when? That motion you are referring to.
The motion I'm referring to, my lord, we filed it this morning.
And you are telling me you have a motion as if you don't practice before me. You can't file it this morning and expect it is in my file. It is still in the registry. So you don't have a motion before me.
Besides, my lord, we were equally even surprised to hear about a motion. We were not saved. We don't have any copy yet, sir.
My lord, as I wanted to file it yesterday, but the registry was already closed. We have been in court since 8 o'clock this morning to file the motion, but the commissioner for oath was not around.
But what was wrong in you saying you are presently filing it in the registry? Just say you
humbly, my lord, we have filed the motion, but we know that it is not yet before your lordship.
Yes, that is, you make a complete disclosure. Because I'm now looking for it in the file, I didn't see it.
My lord, we apologize for that
What
mix
do you want?
Part. My lord, we have filed the motion. We have even handed it over to the.
What do you want?
Well, my lord, we will be asking for an adjournment.
You ask for an adjournment, or you will be asking for adjournment?
My lord, we humbly ask for an adjournment to enable us prepare properly for our defense.
Okay. Yes, Akure.
My lord, sir, on our part, sir, we will oppose vehemently to that application, sir. My lord, sir, the last date that this matter came up was on the 10th of June 2023, sir. And between that time and now, the defendants did not.
10th of May. 10th of May 2023.
Yes, sir. 2023, sir. The defendant.
Yes. May, not June. On that 10th May, we adjourned to 1st June, and I know that I didn't sit since then because I've been on national assignments.
The fact the honorary court does not stop a party from filing their processes. It's always open.
Yes, no, I agree. I agree.
Yes,
I agree.
This is the 2020 case, and the last time, even the defendant appeared in this matter was the year 2021. That was the last time he appeared in this matter. My lord, sir,
my lord, humbly, we would like to emphasize the fact
that. Let me conclude, please. My lord, on this note, sir, we shall graciously be bringing this honorary report, sir, that the defense of the defendant will close this morning, sir. And the matter be adjourned for adoption of voting addresses.
So what happens if the court is minded to grant an adjournment?
What if the honorary court is inclined to grant an adjournment, sir? We shall be praying for a cost of 50,000 naira against the defendant, sir. A patronage sum of 50,000 naira, sir. Cost ordinarily follows event.
Yes, he mentioned that up to now you people are talking settlement. Is that true?
My lord, sir, ordinarily, maybe by now we would have even closed our case. It was the defendants who initiated settlement with us, and we in fact, the issue of settlement had long been concluded since the year 2021. And it was because they did not comply with the terms of settlement. That was why we proceeded with our case from 2021 to date. Now we are surprised this morning that they are coming up with another application. This morning, after the last. In
other words, it is not true that settlement talks are on.
Yes, sir, it's not true. We concluded the issue of settlement way back in 2021. Sir.
Thank you. Adeni.
Humbly, my lord.
He said we should foreclose you, or if not, you should pay 50,000 naira cost. What is your response?
My lord, we'll be humbly praying that cost should not be awarded against us. Humbly, my lord, we have a statement of defense before your lordship. Even my witness is in court this morning, my lord, with me. But the claimant has been coming to see the Attorney General, who is the second defendant. He has been going to see the Ondo State Civil Service Commission, which is the first defendant, till now, holding talks in respect of settlement. We're not aware that he had gone back to court to continue with his case. Meanwhile, when he came and initiated settlement in 2021, the Honorable Attorney General instructed that the case file be sent to our ADR department. And the ADR department has been with the file since then, having talks with him in respect of settlement. The Honorable Attorney General has done a couple of letters, has made moves in respect of this issue. And he never for once informed the Honorable Attorney General that he's no longer interested in settling this case out of court. My lord, it was when we got a hearing notice for defense that we were wondering that if the matter is coming up for defense, that means that the claimant must have done his case and his case must have been closed. That was why we now came to court after we got that hearing notice last week, my lord, only to discover that the claimant had been coming to court since November last year, had been handling his case, and had even made the applications to the court to foreclose us for defense, while still holding talks with the Honorable Attorney General in respect of settlement, my lord. And so we had to quickly prepare our motion to amend our processes so that we can be clear properly before your lordship in respect of the issues that we want to canvass in respect of defense, since we have now discovered that all of a sudden he's no longer interested in settlement. We are not aware, my lord. And so we are surprised this morning that counsel to the claimant is insisting that settlement has broken down since 2021. The Honorable Attorney General is surprised to hear this, my lord.
My lord, sir.
So it was only last week that this case file was retrieved from our ADR department. And now transferred back to civil litigation. And I had to appear in court this morning, my lord. But we prepared the processes. We tried to file them yesterday. In fact, my lord, this motion for amendment, we had prepared it and brought it to the registry of courts as at 2021, when we appeared last. We were ready to go on. But then, my lord, the rules of court required that any process we bring should be kept under quarantine for 7 days. And that was the basis on which my lord adjourned that matter in 2021, my lord. Few days after that was when the claimant came to see the Honorable Attorney General of Ondo State and requested settlement of this matter, my lord. And settlement has been ongoing since then. I see the claimant almost every day coming to the office of the Commissioner for Justice in respect of settlement. And it's clear the counsel, my lord, is now saying that there's nothing in respect of settlement. That is wrong, my lord. I speak from the bar. As the acting director of civil litigation.
Learned counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Are you looking for me to record you, to write you down, or to be recorded? Maybe just to be recorded, like tape record, or you want me to write you down?
My lord, I would also like to be taken down if my lord is willing. But I wanted my lord to understand our position. Yes, my lord.
Well, this is the ruling of the court. The court is minded in the interest of justice to grant another adjournment. However, given the circumstance of this case, the delay is caused by the defendant and should pay cost. Case is hereby adjourned at the instance of the defendant with cost of 40,000 naira. Case adjourned to 16 January 2024 for defense.
As court pleases. We are very much grateful, my Lord.
My Lord, humbly, we didn't get the date, my Lord, because of the network.
16th January. 16th January 2020.
15th, my Lord, 1-5.
1-6.
1-6. Okay, yes, my Lord. 2024.
Thank you.
We are most obliged, my Lord.
All right.
We are grateful, sir.
I just saw my computer saying low back. Okay, I think this is last matter. AK 17 2021. Mr. Olasukanmi Paul Ogundayoni. Please forgive my poor pronunciation of the names. And the Rubber Estate Nigeria Limited. Appearances, please. AK 17 2021.
Yes, my Lord.
And AO Osen Wigye. Are you both online? Who is online?
I'm online.
Announce appearance, please.
Well, respectfully, my Lord, I don't know if the claimant is online now, but I'm online for
your appearance, please. Announce your appearance.
Yes, Lord. We are online on the site. May the court be pleased, my Lord. My name is Chukwuyem Atewe.
Oh.
The claimant is also in court side. It's also online.
I can't see you, Atewe.
Yes, my Lord, Chukwuyem Atewe.
I said I can't see you.
I'm here logged out.
I can only see ITEL S665L. All right. Is this you, Atewe?
My Lord, it's Osemige, my Lord.
Okay. Where is Atewe?
Atewe is online, my Lord.
Yes, you are announcing appearance and we couldn't see you.
I'm sorry about that, my Lord. I think it's
the video because I'm actually seeing my Lord. I'm also seeing my colleague. I've also seen the defense counsel.
All right, defense counsel.
Respectfully, my Lord.
No, my Lord. I also appear with Barrister Ayodeji Pasusi.
For the claimant, sir.
For the claimant.
It's also online.
You are with Ayodeji?
It's also online.
Yes, my Lord.
What's the other name?
Yes, my Lord.
Yeah,
the other name of Ayodeji is...
Yeah, Pasusi.
Pasusi, my Lord.
Pasusi, my F-A-S-U.
Yes. I know, we can just put Ayodeji.
S-I.
All right, defense counsel, announce your appearance.
Yeah,
respectfully,
yes.
Respectfully, my Lord, I am A.O. Osemige. A.O. Osemige. My Lord, I most humbly appear for the defendants.
Please. All right.
Yes, my Lord, the matter is slated today.
Yes, my Lord,
for adoption of final address.
Today for adoption.
We have been talking of final address.
We have been served the defendant final address.
have also filed our own.
We also have filed our own for the claimant.
We want to pray to
We want to pray to my Lord just before we go ahead to adopt.
we
have an application to regularize our said final address for the claimant. The defendant has also been served with both our application and our final address.
When did you file the motion?
Yes, my Lord. The motion is filed on the 20th of April, 2023.
Okay. Defense counsel, have you been served?
My Lord, we have been served. On our part, we are not opposed to the application.
Okay. Oh, you move in terms.
Yes, my Lord, we'll move in terms of our motion paper for extension of time in respect of the claimant final address. Is dated the 17th day of April 2023, filed on the 20th of April 2023. My Lord, we will have the due order therein with our application. We pray the Honorable Court to grant the same.
Application granted as
motion paper. As the court pleases, we are grateful, sir.
Can we move to the adoption proper?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, on behalf of the defendant, we have filed our final written address. The final written address, my Lord, is dated the 8th day of March. 8th day of March 2023. And filed on the 10th day of March 2023.
Then March 2023,
my Lord. Along with the leave of this honorable court, we most humbly adopt the said final written address as our argument in this case. And my Lord, we urge my Lord respectfully to dismiss the claimant's case with cost against the claimant, my Lord. We beg to submit, my Lord.
All right. Akure.
Yes, my Lord. The claimant's final written address is dated the 17th day of April, 2023, and filed on the 20th of April, 2023. Yes, my Lord. With the leave of the Honorable Court, we also seek to adopt the said final address.
It was deemed today.
With respect, my Lord, which was deemed regularized this morning, sir. I'm so sorry. Our said final address.
You adopt them?
Adopt our final address as our argument in respect of the claimant case. I will most humbly, my Lord, with greatest respect, to grant the release as sought by the claimant. So I'm most grateful to the court. Now, Lord, we also take judicial notice that the defendant did not file a reply.
It will not be found in the file. So, yes,
yes,
should be in the file now.
Yes, my Lord. We still no need to file our reply, sir.
November. A reply is not always necessary, is it?
It's not, my Lord. It's not. It's not, my Lord.
It's not always necessary. Sometimes it may be, sometimes it may not be.
My Lord, in this particular case, it is not necessary, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, we have agreed. It's a right that can be waived. There is no
Adjourned to 27th November 2023 for judgment by Zoom.
As the copy.
November 2020.
November by Zoom.
27th, my lord.
November 2023.
27, sir.
By
27.
Zoom. Yes.
We are grateful, my lord.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, to be clear, sir, 27, sir. 27.
Yes. 7th November 2023.
It's a Monday. Right?
Yes. It's for judgment by Zoom.
As the
copy. We are most grateful, my lord.
Thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
I'm grateful, sir. Thank you.
Why is this different ID? ID is and University of Yes, appearances, gentlemen. Olawi Amusan for the claimant, A.M. Saliman for the defendants. Please, are you online?
Present, sir. Aziz Obayomi for the defendant, sir.
You say?
Aziz Obayomi for the defendant.
Why didn't you talk now? I'm almost adjourning the matter. No appearance for the claimant. Your own name is?
Aziz Obayomi.
You are in the same office with A.M. Saliman?
Yes, sir. I'm in the same office, sir.
All right, thank you. You are for the defendant?
You are for the defendants.
Okay. Yes, this matter is for report of settlement.
Yes, sir. This matter is for report of settlement, and the defendant has since paid the claimant what they agreed to. So it's for the defendant to come and do the necessary to withdraw the matter, for it to be strike out or file a tax, since he has received almost 16 million naira they agreed to, sir.
The defendant has paid the claimant, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but in view of the fact that the claimant is not in court, his counsel is not in court, what should we do now?
Maybe give him another opportunity, sir, to come.
Thank you. Yes, beyond that, first. Case adjourned to 4th December 2023 for report of settlement.
Fourth.
Fourth, yes.
As corporate,
4th December.
Most
Thank you very much. Any other matter? Okay, that is all for today's sitting.
Melissa, we have another matter. I don't know, maybe it's not listed. NIC 2019.
It's not listed for today. Sorry about that. You will get a hearing notice if it is coming up.
As copies. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We shall all leave.